Hi everyone, welcome back to Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to activate Sears credit card online. Watch the tutorial till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up a web browser to get started. Into the URL box popping up at the top, type in activate.searscard.com and press enter on your keyboard. Soon after you do that, you'll be taken to a new page. Here you can register your new card or activate it online by simply entering your card number in the left-hand side of the screen. Once you type in your card number available on your credit card, click on the Continue button. Follow the on-screen prompts till the end and you'll be able to activate your Sears credit card online. That is how it can be done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.